Hi guys, Becky here. Easter is coming up and I just love this season because it means that the sun is coming out and soon it's going to be just so green outdoors. And I just love that. And this Easter I am going to make these lovely little cupcakes that have a chicken nest up top with some chocolate and nougat eggs on them. And this recipe is just your classic cupcake recipe, and this is actually my favorite go-to cupcake recipe, and it's going to be pretty straightforward, so just follow along. Okay guys, we're done. These are our Easter cupcakes, our little chicken nests. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you have a happy Easter. Okay, bye bye.